Oh, storm. Oh, wait, my car is not focusing on it. Yeah, it is now. I'm not. If you want me to show me gameplay of it below, I am going to show you gameplay except walkthrough. I'm not doing walkthrough. Someone asked. I will do the walkthrough. Someone fucking asked. Okay, and I'm just going to do boss battle. Yay! Okay, let's get to it. Wow, this has a fucking long writing, look. Naruto, Ultimate Ninja Storm. And this is the back. Naruto takes your system by storm. Wow, that's offensive. And this is the thing that we have here. Takasu's game stage mode. Naruto. I don't care about it. Okay, back, front, as usual. As usual, I'm going to show you what's inside, and that's it. Many people hate this stuff, but I just take it. I'm not going to do ranked matches, because I will lag. I will lag, literally. I'm not going to show you the whole book, because the whole book has different languages. Sorry, in school and other elderly. So that's the book. So I'm going to show you today Kakashi boss battle. Not now. I am going to pain battles, Itachi, Sasuke, they're all